Hello, welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm going to switch from my summer wardrobe to my fall capsule wardrobe. If you're new here, my name is Shannon. I make videos about becoming more minimal and decluttering. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to never miss a video. I live in Southern California and I like to dress for the weather rather than for what the trend is. So what I'm going to do right now is just pull out my really summer type pieces that I know I'm not going to be wearing anymore because they're just way too summery. And then I'm going to add in items that I can layer on top of t-shirts because even though it is starting to cool down, for instance, today is one of the coolest days we've had in a really long time. So I'm just going to pull out those summery items and then bring in the items that I can layer. I've mostly pulled out really summery prints as well as items that are super thin material or spaghetti strap that I just know I will not wear this fall. My really off-season items I like to fold and put into a drawer that I'm not going to be accessing for quite a few months, so I probably won't be getting back into those summer type clothes till maybe the end of spring. So I put them in my bottom drawer where I just never open that drawer. That's kind of my storage area. All of these shirts, tank tops, and t-shirts, I can actually put a warmer long sleeve button-up shirt over these or a sweater and wear these with pants, and they're the perfect thing that can transition me from summer to fall. And the few dresses I am keeping out, this one I actually need to alter, but this would be the perfect dress that I could wear a little cardigan over because it is longer. Then I have this simple black dress. This is the perfect dress to put a long sleeve button up over. This dress, although it is white and very summer looking, I feel that I might have a few warm days that I'll still be able to wear this because this is a thicker material, so I think I might still have a chance to wear this. When it's my summer wardrobe, I just move all of the long pants to the side, but what I am going to do this time is I'm going to flip all the hangers around, and I've done this quite a few times in the past. What you do is you literally just hang the clothes with the hanger facing the wrong direction, and then as you wear the items, you put them back facing the right direction, so then you have a really good idea of all the clothes that you actually wear. I'm not doing that with the shirts because I already know I've been wearing those all summer long. This bottom drawer is where I've been storing all my winter clothes and my fall clothes. I've just pulled these items out because they're more lightweight shirts for fall, but they are long sleeve. So if we have a cool day, this is the perfect thing to wear. These heavier sweaters I'm gonna keep in here because I will not need those till winter. For fall in Southern California, I like to go with something that has a little bit of a longer sleeve, maybe not as many tank tops, and then something that still has a thin material so I can layer, but also isn't going to make me too hot because, again, I like to dress for the weather, and here it just does not get that cold. This is the shirt that I've worn all summer long. To make this t-shirt more appropriate for fall, I would just wear it under a layer, and I would just put this simple button-up shirt over it. This is the type of shirt that is a 2-for-1. You can either button this up, tuck it in, roll the sleeves up, wear it as a shirt on its own, or I can layer this over a tank top or a t-shirt, and that is how I like to incorporate my summer items going into my fall capsule wardrobe. Here is another shirt I do the same thing with. It is a button-up long sleeve shirt that I can either wear on its own or I can put over a little black tank top or white tank top or white t-shirt and just add that extra layer that would get me through the fall with incorporating all of my summer items as well. The only item I'm really adding to my fall wardrobe this year is a pair of joggers, and that is because I now walk Emmett to school every morning, and I feel like this would just be a cozy, comfy way to not look like I'm still wearing pajamas, but something warm that I can just throw on in the morning and walk him to school really quickly. And also these would be perfectly comfy for more casual days, just hanging around the house. They aren't sweatpants, they're a dressier, warm pant, but that is not like jeans that you would feel uncomfortable in at home. So I'm excited to give these a try in my wardrobe, and I'll see how well they mix and match into what I already have. I've just rolled up all of my summer clothes I know I'm not going to be wearing. I put them in the bottom drawer, and what I'm going to do is take all the bathing suits and move those down to the bottom drawer, so then that way I've opened up a drawer in case I want to store some of those hanging items, because sometimes it is easier to work out of a drawer compared to everything hanging. Careful! Really, all it is just storing the items that I'm not going to be wearing in a different area out of the way, so I can quickly find the items that I want to wear and know I'm going to use. I always get questions on hangers too. Why do I have two different types? I like the velvety ones for items that tend to slip off the hangers, and for everything else I like the plastic ones, because then I can just quickly throw the item on the hanger and it's not getting stuck on that velvet stickiness. I will link everything in the description box below, the velvet hangers I use, because I do really like them for items that tend to slip off the hangers. I normally never count items, but I have 16 shirts, and I think that is a really good variety because, like I said before, a lot of those are going to be layered. The longer sleeved button-ups are going to go over the tank tops, and the shorter sleeve shirts. Pants, I already know I have way too many, and that's why I'm using the hanger trick this season. I flip them all the wrong way. As I wear them, I'm gonna flip them around, and then that's gonna give me a really good idea of what I actually wear. I have about 12 pairs of pants, so I know that's too many, and there's two that I'm on the fence about, so I'm gonna see. I know I wore them maybe 2 or 3 times last year, so they aren't my everyday style. But I do like a lot of different styles of pants, as far as skinny jeans, comfy pants that I wear at home, and then I do like flared bell bottoms. So I like that variety, but I'm gonna see what I actually wear, and that's just my way of editing each year and each season. Also, as far as decluttering goes, I personally like to declutter at the end of each season, because then I know exactly what I've used and what I've worn, and it's easy for me to pick out those items that I know I didn't wear and declutter those. It's much harder to declutter, at least for me, because I've already decluttered for 2 years. It's harder for me to declutter at the beginning of the season because I have no idea what I might end up wearing. So I like the end of the season declutter process, and I just did that in this video here. You can click here to see how I decluttered my summer wardrobe and also see how we've set up our closet. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to never miss a video. And also you can check out my website, shannontorrens.com, and I'll see you next time. Bye!